Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to my sewing room. I'm going to demonstrate how to make a double ruffle. Now from a distance it looks like one ruffle in front of another ruffle, but it's actually one solid piece and you'll be surprised just how easy it is. Won't take you long to make at all. And oh, by the way, later on in this video, there will be a Christmas in July fabric giveaway, and there are some yummy pieces of fabric in there, so stay tuned. Okay, let's get started on this double ruffle. We're going to need two colors, and your fabric that you want to show the most, you're going to cut all of your strips 2.5 inches wide. So whatever number of inches or feet you need of ruffle, you would cut them 2.5 inches wide. Then your second color, which only shows just a little bit from the front, you're going to cut it 3.5 inches wide. So here's my A 2.5 inch strip, and here's my B 3.5 inch strip. You're going to bring front sides together. Stitch along this edge 1/4 inch, all along that edge. Then turn it over to where the larger strip is up here facing you and the narrower strip is on the bottom. And go ahead and press it with your iron. Then unfold and press on top, and make sure that this seam right here is pressed towards the larger strip. Now you're going to take this edge here and bring it up to this edge. Bring it over, fold it in half, and then press all along this edge, and there you have your double edge ruffle, or you can say ruffle with a border. And now you're ready to go to your machine and use your gathering foot to gather on this edge right here. Okay, I'm at my sewing machine and here is my gathering foot. So most of the gathering feet out there look like this. Now this particular foot is made to work on my machine. So if you can't find a foot at your local sewing machine store, you can go on the internet and find them, but make sure that the foot you're purchasing will work with your particular model, whether you're using a Singer, a Pfaff, a Brother, a Husqvarna Viking, whatever it is you're using, make sure that it's going to work with your machine. So you're going to take your foot and you're going to put it on just like your other presser feet. So you're just going to snap it in. There you go. All right, snap it in. Then you want to change the stitch length of your straight stitch to the longest length that it will go. Otherwise, it's not going to gather up. So make sure you do that. Now, here's my fabric right here. Now, because this is a double layer of fabric, when you're running this through this underneath this gathering foot, you're going to need to take your finger and put it behind the presser foot. So when you begin to gather it, you need to keep it in there nice and snug, and then it will gather it up. If you don't put your finger back there, it will not gather. So you're going to do your ruffle stitch 1/4 inch from this raw edge in. So just go ahead and lower your presser foot down, okay? And like I said, you're going to stitch 1/4 inch. Take your finger, press it back there, place it behind it, and slowly start stitching, okay? And you're going to see that it's going to start gathering up. Now, when you get a bunch clumped up behind there, release it a little bit, okay? And then put your finger back there again and push against it and push a little bit of fabric in there and continue sewing. And just keep doing that. Now, if you're not used to doing this, then you need to practice on some scrap fabric. So then you would continue doing that, and when you're done, you're going to have a ruffle that looks like this. And then you're ready to put it on your project. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the Christmas in July fabric giveaway. The Sewing Room channel is giving away this bundle of fabric. There are about 1/4 yard pieces here and other miscellaneous scrap fabrics of all different sizes. Plus, there's panel fabric included. You see this? There are 3 different designs, 2 of each, and they are placemat size. So you can make these into placemats for your holiday dining table. Plus there's other placemat size that you could even make into pillows if you wanted. But there's one piece that is the best of all, and let me show it to you. Isn't this beautiful? This is a 36-inch wide piece of panel fabric and 44 inches long. Christmas tree and Christmas bears and a snowman are also on it. You can make a beautiful quilt out of this. Turn it into a wall hanging. It is a really easy piece to work with, and I have many videos to show you how to put a border on. There are just 3 easy rules to this fabric giveaway. Step 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Step 2, follow me on Instagram at The Sewing Room Channel. And step 3, leave a comment below telling me what your favorite Christmas tradition is. All of the rules are listed below in the About section. Now good luck everyone, and happy sewing. Now, if you liked this video, click on thumbs up, and also click on share to share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red button in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Enter your email address, then click on the little bell so you receive future email notifications about my latest video. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and we'll see you next time, and happy sewing.